Hello viewers, and welcome to Home Reviews. Are you looking for the top 7 best mirror dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 7 best mirror dash cams in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your driving experience with the Pelsi 4K plus 2.5K mirror dash cam, featuring dual-lens recording for complete road coverage. The front camera boasts a Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, capturing stunning 4K clarity, while the rear IMX335 sensor records in sharp 2.5K, ensuring every detail is preserved. Its 12-inch rear-view mirror display provide a wide, clear view of the road behind, combining convenience with advanced technology. Experience safer night driving with color night vision, letting you see vivid, true-to-life colors even in low-light conditions. Integrated ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, alerts you to lane departures, forward collisions, and more, enhancing safety on every journey. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, transferring footage to your smartphone is fast and seamless, making sharing or reviewing recordings effortless. Sleek and easy to install, this dash cam fits perfectly as a rear-view mirror replacement without obstructing your view. Perfect for daily commutes or long trips. The Pelsi Mirror Dash Cam combines cutting-edge imaging, safety features, and convenience into one premium automotive accessory. Number 2. Upgrade your driving experience with the WOLFBOX G9 3010-foot rear-view mirror camera, a versatile all-in-one solution for safety and convenience. Featuring 4K ultra-clear front and rear dash cams with wide dynamic range WDR. This system ensures sharp, high-quality video day and night, capturing every detail on the road. The 10-inch touchscreen rear-view mirror provides an intuitive interface, allowing seamless switching between front and rear camera views and easy access to recordings. Equipped with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the G930 enables fast, wireless video transfer to your smartphone, making it simple to view, save, and share footage. Its backup camera with parking guidelines enhances visibility and safety when reversing, reducing blind spots and minimizing the risk of accidents. The sleek mirror design integrates effortlessly into any vehicle interior, combining functionality with modern aesthetics. Perfect for everyday driving, long trips, or fleet monitoring. The WOLFBOX G930 rear view mirror camera offers peace of mind, advanced technology, and effortless convenience, ensuring every journey is safe, clear, and connected. Number 3. Upgrade your driving experience with the LINGDU 12-inch mirror dash cam, featuring stunning 4K UHD front and 2.5K rear video recording. Designed for safety and convenience, this dual dash camera ensures crystal clear footage of every journey, day or night. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems ADAS, including blind spot detection, BSD, and lane change assist LCA, it actively helps prevent accidents and improve situational awareness. The mirror dash cam includes GPS tracking to log your routes, G-sensor technology to automatically save collision footage, and loop recording to ensure continuous recording without running out of space. Its smart parking mode provides 24/7 monitoring, capturing events even when your vehicle is parked. The sleek 12-inch touchscreen integrates seamlessly with your car, offering intuitive controls and playback at your fingertips. Easy to install and packed with intelligent features, the LINGDU Mirror Dash Cam combines safety, convenience, and clarity for all drivers. Protect your vehicle, capture every moment, and drive with confidence. Number 4. The Pelsi P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam is the ultimate driving companion, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to enhance safety and convenience on the road. Equipped with a 4K ultra-clear front camera and a 1080p rear camera, it captures every detail with stunning clarity, ensuring you never miss a moment. The advanced ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, and BSD blind spot detection provide real-time alerts for lane departures, collisions, and vehicles in your blind spots, giving you peace of mind while driving. Featuring 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi with lightning-fast 20 megabytes per second download speeds, the P12 Pro allows seamless video transfer and live streaming to your smartphone. Voice control enables hands-free operation, keeping your focus on the road. Integrated GPS records your route and speed, while the high-definition color display ensures clear visuals under all lighting conditions. Its sleek rear-view mirror design blends perfectly with any vehicle interior, providing functionality without compromising style. With the PELC P12 Pro, experience superior safety, convenience, and unmatched 4K recording quality every time you drive. Number 5. Upgrade your driving experience with the WOLFBOX G850 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam, a cutting-edge smart rear-view mirror designed for safety, convenience, and clarity. Equipped with dual 12-inch high-definition cameras, it captures crisp 4K footage of both front and rear views, ensuring every detail on the road is recorded. The advanced ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, provides lane departure and collision warnings, while BSD, blind spot detection, keeps you alert to vehicles in adjacent lanes, enhancing overall driving safety. Stay connected effortlessly with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing instant video sharing and cloud backup, and enjoy hands-free operation through voice control. Built-in GPS tracks your route, speed, and location for precise navigation and trip logging. The G-sensor automatically locks critical footage during accidents, and loop recording ensures continuous recording without running out of storage. The WOLFBOX G850 Pro comes with a 64 GB memory card and easy installation, making it a complete solution for drivers seeking safety, intelligence, and convenience. Transform your daily commute into a smarter, safer journey. Number 6. Upgrade your driving experience with the Veement 4K Rear View Mirror Camera, a cutting-edge 10-inch mirror dash cam that combines safety, convenience, and clarity. Featuring ultra-high-definition 4K recording, this dash cam ensures every detail of the road is captured with precision, while the included 1080p backup camera provides a clear rear view, making parking and reversing safer than ever. Equipped with front and rear dual-channel recording, the Veement Mirror Dash Cam gives you comprehensive coverage of your vehicle, helping protect against accidents, theft, or disputes. Its intuitive voice control allows hands-free operation, enabling you to start recording, take snapshots, or adjust settings without taking your eyes off the road. Designed for round-the-clock security, the dash cam supports 24-hour parking monitoring, giving you peace of mind even when your car is unattended. The sleek 10-inch mirror seamlessly integrates with your car's interior, offering both a modern look and enhanced functionality. Reliable, smart, and easy to use, the Veement 4K Rearview Mirror Camera is the ultimate companion for safer, smarter driving. Number 7. Experience unmatched road safety and convenience with the Rearview T27 Mirror Dashcam front and rear. This advanced dual camera system delivers ultra-clear video with 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution, capturing every detail on the road. Its sleek 11-inch UHD touchscreen rearview mirror seamlessly integrates into your vehicle, offering a modern, intuitive interface for effortless operation. Equipped with night vision, the Rearview T27 ensures crisp and clear footage even in low-light conditions, giving you peace of mind during nighttime driving. The rear-view backup camera enhances parking safety, reducing blind spots and making reversing hassle-free. Built-in GPS allows precise tracking of your routes, while loop recording ensures continuous capture without worrying about storage limits. With its durable design, easy installation, and user-friendly touchscreen, the Rearview T27 is perfect for daily commutes, long trips, or professional drivers who demand reliability and high-quality recording. Upgrade your driving experience with this all-in-one mirror dash cam, combining safety, clarity, and smart functionality in one elegant solution.